Yep, so this will be a quick installation video on how to install our tungsten grinders. So first you want to just screw the mandrel piece on, just like that. Nice and finger tight. Second step, take this plastic cap off because you won't need it, and put this on top. Nice and tight. So then with this diamond blade, put in here. And this is important, so make sure that you have this aligned right to the top line here. So get that aligned and screw it up. Now you might get a bit of wobble if you see the blade there, how it's not 100%, but that'll be fine, it'll self-align later on. So get that in, and yeah, you can just hold that button in and then just do it up. Then you just chuck the O-rings on. And you can put 2 on, but I like to put just 1 on, just because it slides nice and easy with it. Just like that. But if you put 2 on, it'll be pretty hard to change, whatever is your preference really. You're ready to go. Give you a quick demo. I like to have it on, yeah, pretty much full ball.